Hello everyone, welcome to Deepak SD Nova Hub. In today's video, we are going to understand the SAP introduction. If you are a fresher preparing and starting your SAP career, this video will help you to understand the basics of SAP. So let's start. SAP, what do you mean by SAP? SAP stands for a System Application and Product in Data Processing. SAP is an ERP software used by the companies to manage the different processes like sales, purchase, finance, inventory, and human resources. Different departments work together using SAP. Now, what is SAP SD? SAP SD is stands for Sales and the Distribution. It is a core module in the SAP software. It is a functional module in the SAP used to manage the various sales activities, customer orders, deliveries, billing, shipping. SAP SD mainly handles the complete sales process from inquiry to the payment collection. This process is also called as order to cash process. Let's us understand with a simple example. Suppose a customer wants to buy a laptop from the company. So first he inquires about the laptop, that is the product. Next he asks for the quotation which mentions about the product price, the validity and the product name. Third one, the customer places the order and the sales order is created. Next, the delivery of the product is done. Invoice is generated for that specific product, that is the laptop, and customer payment customer makes the payment for that product, that is the laptop. This complete process is managed in SAP SD. The main process in SAP SD, we can say it is an order to cash process or O2C process. It includes the inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, picking and packing, billing and the payment. This process helps companies manage customer sales smoothly. Some of the important concepts in SAP SD are pricing, availability check, credit management, shipping, output determination, tax determination. These are very important for the interviews as well as the real-time projects. The career scope for the SAP SD has very good opportunities. Many companies are hiring SAP SD Support Consultant, SAP SD Functional Consultant, SAP S/4HANA Consultant, or SAP SD Consultant. Fresher and experienced professionals both have the good opportunities to SAP SD. To conclude this video, this is the basic introduction to SAP SD. In upcoming videos, we will learn the OTC process in detail, pricing, delivery, billing, real-time interview question and answers, and support scenarios. If you found this video useful, please like, share, subscribe to the Deepak SD Nova Hub. Thank you for watching.